Commercial lenders and equity investors are interested in ratios like financial and operational sustainability. They're interested in efficiency ratios. They're interested in productivity ratios. But in addition, they're interested in a separate class of ratios of their own. Equity investors are going to be very interested in return on equity, for example. They're also going to be interested in any indicators of the rapid growth of the portfolio of the organization that they're investing in, because as a general rule, they want to invest over a defined period of time, say 5 years, and see the organization grow very quickly and then leave, find an exit solution. In the case of commercial banks, they will be very concerned about the risks to their loans. So they're looking at the debt-to-equity ratio and making sure that the microfinance institution does not become too over-leveraged. And at the same time, they're looking at other risk measures to ensure that the MFI achieves enough profitability to continue repaying its loan and enough cash flow. The most important ratios for a startup MFI to track are related to profitability and social performance. In the area of profitability, it needs to look at operating self-sufficiency and financial self-sufficiency. And if it can accomplish those, then it can be independent of subsidies and independent of goals that it may not consider relevant to its particular market and its particular context. So it's very important that it be able to achieve a basic level of profitability or financial sustainability. And operational sustainability is a key benchmark that helps it move in that direction. On the social side, it may have a number of social objectives, and most of them can also be measured through ratios or some kind of clear performance targets. For example, it might want to look at the average size of its loans as a percentage of Indian GDP per capita. Or it might want to look at the percentage of its borrowers who are women. Or it might want to look at a number of other indicators like that. It might want to measure, for example, the percentage of leaders who are women among SHGs. Or it might want to do a measure of the extent of poverty among its clients and the extent to which that poverty level is changing over time.